And the rain, it is pissing down. So I'm not breaking camp. If I do decide to break camp in the rain, I'm just going to use one of these fly sheets as, it's not a fly sheet, it's a fucking rain tarp. I use one of these rain tarps as a poncho. It's big enough to wrap around me, completely cover me. So worst case scenario, I'll do that. So what I'm going to go and do, because the plastic is not, the wind is picking up, but the polyplastic is giving me complete coverage again. So I'm quite happy to sit here. There's nothing out in the rain exposed other than my cooker, kettle, and a bottle of water. And my shirt, I hung my shirt up to dry in the wind, bollocks. Right, I'm going to have to go and drink my coffee. So, yeah, I'm going to get one of these fly rain tarp things. I'm going to bundle it up and put it in here to keep it dry. And that way I can have it to wear back if it is still raining. But I'm not exactly rushing. I've got no appointment. That's why I make a point of going out on a Saturday night, Saturday evening, because that way I know nothing's going to be delivered on a Sunday. No hassles, no phone calls, no text messages. I can just chill and spend the entire day here if I so choose. And the rain does come down. Right, I need to get that shirt moved and the rain tarp. If I get the rain, keep one rain tarp on there for insulation. The other one, I'm going to put it, hang it on there, and that way it'll stay dry for my raincoat.